In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert the mathematical symbol for x squared into your Google Sheet, a handy technique for when you're dealing with equations or mathematical expressions in your spreadsheet. So let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First, go ahead and open your Google Sheet. Now, to begin this process, you want to click on any blank cell within your spreadsheet. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're starting with a space that's free of any previous data, minimizing any confusion or errors that could arise if the cell were already populated. Once you've clicked on your desired blank cell, we're ready to input our formula. This next step is where the magic really happens. You'll need to type in the following formula exactly as it appears: equals sign, quotation mark, lowercase x, and then another quotation mark. Immediately following this, you'll type out the ampersand symbol, commonly known as the and sign. After that, you'll input char in all capital letters, followed by an open parenthesis, the number 178, and a closing parenthesis. This precise string of characters and symbols might look a bit intimidating at first, but it's integral to generating the correct result, which, as you'll see, is worth the effort. This formula works by combining two distinct elements: the letter x, and a special character generated by the char function. Specifically, char 178 is responsible for creating the superscript 2, which is vital to accurately display x squared. This aspect of the formula leverages ASCII, a standardized character encoding system which assigns each character a specific numerical value. In this case, 178 is the value that the system associates with the superscript 2. After you've meticulously typed out the formula, you'll press the Enter key on your keyboard. This simple action executes the formula and reveals the result within the cell, transforming the previously empty space into a neatly formatted X2. It's a small transformation, but one that can make a significant difference in the clarity and presentation of your data. Now, that's really all there is to it. This quick, efficient method is a perfect example of using the power of formulas within Google Sheets to enhance your work. Whether you're teaching, studying, or just working with numbers, knowing how to display mathematical equations in a clean and professional manner is a skill that can really come in handy. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a neat little trick to make your Google Sheets even more versatile and visually appealing. Thanks for following along, and happy spreadsheeting.